Welcome to Save the City, an exciting new action-packed workshop where you get to live out a number of life and death scenarios filled with mathematics. If you get it right, you will save your city from a nuclear catastrophe. Get it wrong, however, and... Ready to begin? Let's go. It was just supposed to be a boring school science excursion. You've been visiting Neutrino Labs, a world-famous science lab in your city. The scientists there are working on an amazing new hot fusion nuclear energy generator, as small as a lunchbox, but powerful enough to power an entire city. They're also working on cool technology like you'd seen in a Batman movie, like personal grappling hooks. Security is tight, but your class has been allowed to visit to see the generator. Suddenly, in the middle of a demonstration, you feel the building shudder, and then everything goes black. You wake up, and smoke fills the air. The floor is cracked, and walls are missing from what you guess must have been an earthquake. Fire fills the adjacent rooms. Suddenly, you realize you're all alone. Everyone else has evacuated. Coughing with the smoke, you make your way to the emergency exit, only to see flames and smoke coming up the stairwell. There'll be no escaping that way. As you return to the lab, you see the nuclear energy generator starting to smoke and glow. It's gone into a self-destruct mode. If you don't stop it, or put it somewhere where it can explode safely, it could go critical and destroy the entire city, and you with it. Now you have two problems: stop the explosion and escape from the flaming building. You can't go down, so instead you choose to run up the stairs to the roof of the building. Everything below you is on fire now, but there's a chance you can make it to the roof of the adjacent building, if you can use the grappling hook prototype you grabbed on the way out. If you make it to the other building, you've got yet another problem to deal with: the glowing generator. You can try shooting it with your grappling hook to destroy it, but you don't want to be too near it when it goes off. You'll have to work out how far away you can stand and still hit it reliably. If your shooting experiment fails, your only option left is to take the generator out of the city to somewhere isolated where it won't hurt anyone. You commandeer a car and race out of the city with the generator, which is getting hotter by the minute. But all the bridges out of the city have been destroyed by the earthquake. You're going to have to jump the river in your car. You'll have to work out which bridge gives you the best chance of making the jump. Making it to the far side of the river, your car crashes heavily into the ground and starts burning. You're going to need the fire department to vector in on your position and extinguish the flames. You have no idea where you are, but the fire department can triangulate you based on the signal from your mobile phone. Then, with the fire extinguished, you're left with only one choice: defuse the generator. There's a password written on the side of it, but it's in a code. If you can crack the code, you can stop the city from being destroyed. But every wrong code you enter will speed up the self-destruct sequence, so you better find the right code, and quickly. This is Save the City, and everything is down to you.